Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax at the Dallas Yacht Center. Today I want to show you a brokerage boat of ours. It's a 2016 Sea Ray 540 Sundancer. What an awesome boat. We sold this boat new. It is a one-owner boat here on a lake, freshwater lake north of Dallas. Less than 100 hours on the engine, about 400 hours on the generator. Very lightly used boat. Let me show you some really cool things about it. 540 Sundancer has been a very popular boat for Sea Ray. A huge cockpit. If you want to come out to the lake or anywhere and entertain and feel like you're outside in your outdoor patio, you got outdoor kitchen, everything's outside. Back here on the swim platform, you see it's a massive swim platform. It's also hydraulic. You can put a cradle there if you got a dinghy or jet ski you want to bring with you. You can do that, or lower it down the water. You're swimming off of it. During the day, if you want a sun lounge on the back, you got the little wing doors that can open up. If it's time to go, just close and lock them. And everybody's sitting in the seats facing forward. I really like it back here too, is the storage. I got some fenders and dock lines back here in this storage compartment. And there's a bigger compartment underneath that too. Noodles, floats, everything you want to keep close at hand on the back of the boat. So huge storage compartment, easy to get to when you're actually using the boat. Really nice wide entryway coming up to the cockpit. Again, this cockpit is huge on this 540. The normal entertainment area over here, I got ice maker, refrigerator down below. You got the Kenya grill on top. I got a sink, I got a trash can, I got storage. We had a cockpit TV. It's up in here. We did a big stereo upgrade the customer did on this boat, so you got a lot of extra speakers and fun lights to get the party started when you're in that mood. A beautiful high gloss teak table in the cockpit, so when you have cocktails or have a meal, fold it open, make it even bigger. What I really love about the 540 Sundancer is their center helm. When you're driving, like a center console boat right here in the center line of the boat, boy, you can see everywhere. When you're driving, both sides, visibility is incredible. When you're backing the boat up into the slip, visibility to the aft is everything you need to put the boat back in the slip. With the Cummins engines, this is pod drives. Does have the joystick control. It's got skyhook on it, autopilot, auto heading, everything you expect on the boat. He does have radar on it too, GPS mapping. Again, it's only 91 hours on the engines. So this boat has a lot of life left in it. If you're not familiar with the 540, it does have power vents on the side. You can open up the windows on the side. You can open up the hatch up front to get air blowing through here. Has a big sunroof on the top, a lot of glass. You can open that up to get some breeze coming this way. This customer wanted a little more protection from the sun, so he had this snap-on removable sunshade. Don't know if you ever sat in the stid seat, but they're made to sit in for hours and hours and hours and be comfortable. A lot of adjustments so you can really get comfortable. The seats swivel around, so when you get anchored out, you know, we're getting more people sitting around here talking. Everything on this boat shows like new. Again, it's really been babied in a covered slip in a freshwater lake with low hours on it. Let's go down and check out this massive cabin. First of all, when you're coming down below, the stairs, how easy they are to walk down. You come right down, you're going to see the galley. Huge, nice, long countertop. You can spread up your food and drinks, get ready. Got a refrigerator and freezer and ice maker outside. You got a freezer and a refrigerator down below. Nice and clean when it's closed up though. Cabinets and storage cabinets up above. Huge TV. You want to come down here and get out of the heat with the air on. Huge couch to lay down if you want to watch a game or something, relax during the day. Big windows on the side. It does have the wood blinds. I have them pulled up now so you can see outside. But lets a lot of natural light in. They even have this little skylight up here too if you want more natural light in. If you had too much, you can close the blind and keep it nice and cool and dark down here. Let's move forward. This is going to be the day head, which is looks like it's a master's head with the tile floors and the countertops, backsplash. Really nice day head for your VIP guest. And their private stateroom is going to be forward. So in here they got cedar line closets, they got their own TV, they got their own DVD player, big windows, I got the blinds closed now, big hatch. Then they got their own door, so at nighttime they can go right into the head compartment without having to walk out into the galley. So they have their privacy day and night. 540 put the master aft. Pretty cool. They got a pocket sliding door. So again, so the owner's suite can have the privacy. With a nice sliding door. What I like about it, when the door's open, you feel it's one big room, but also it's a wide door you're walking through to get down here into the master. Great fit and finish. What Sea Ray did on this 540 is kind of getting some elements off the L-class boats with the fit and finish everywhere. This boat was ordered with a washer-dryer combination unit, so if you want to wash your favorite bathing suit, your outfit, so you don't have to go back home, you got that built in. And then again, a really nice owner suite head and separate shower. Great boat. If you're looking for a big boat, a diesel boat, a boat that you can put in the lake or the oceans and run for thousands and thousands of hours, this boat is it. A lot of outdoor space, a lot of private family indoor area too. If you have any questions about this boat, please give me a call. I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax. My cell phone number is 214-244-5535. I'd love to answer any questions and help you out. Thank you.